Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, so we opened it a bit here, but basically what we've seen is we've seen a whole lot from underneath here, and now above the 20-day simple. So mid-band continues to be a thing. You've got the 9-day coming in here. So either it's gliding back to make some kind of a higher low, in which case it's going to have to take out the highs up at 77. If not today, then tomorrow. It's going to have to be quick. Otherwise, it's going to slip down in here and either go ahead and go after that 3502, or we're going to get right back into where we are just consolidating and chopping back in the same old range that we saw prior to CPI. So there's a few different ways that it can go today. I tend to think today probably has the best opportunity to get a little bit more directional versus the last couple of days where we've really seen a lot of whip. Hourly chart, and you can see the hourly bands are starting to tighten up. You had these higher highs here. We talked about this yesterday. I mean, it's just getting held up in that 77 to 73 area. Yesterday, it gapped over. It held the band. It came back down. It retested the daily mid-band yesterday late. Ended up closing above. And they've tried to take it down a little bit here in Globex, but it continues to hold. So job one for the bears is you got to take out the green line. It's really not all that difficult. Take out the green line, and if you're really serious about showing up for work today, you take out the 9-day too, and you close below it. That lets you go to work on weekly pivot into Friday. And if you can close somehow below weekly pivot on Friday, then what you say is, yeah, sure, we reversed last week, but the balance of the day, or the balance of the week rather, was defending 37.77 and defeating an attempt to turn the 9-day and the 20-day into support. And if you can do that, then you've had a pretty good week if you're a bear. So you've got volume weighted average price sitting at round number 3,700. It's like 0160. Our proprietary moving average is like 08.5. 5-minute mid 37.10. And you've got the biggest area of the day is that daily mid band down at 36.85. All right, so real quick here because we open. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.